Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you where to find the download manager on your Android phone. So make it sure to watch until the end, because I will also show you how to manage or clear download if needed. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open the Files app. It might be called My Files or File Manager depending on your phone brand. So find Download. This is the default download manager on the most Android phone. You will see all your downloaded files here. Alright, so got it? So if you download something from Chrome or another browser, you can tap the three dots and download to manage your file directly from there. Alright, so search for Download Manager in Settings. Open Setting and search for Download Manager. So this shows the system service that controls downloads. So that's it. Now you know where to find the Download Manager on your Android phone and how to manage your file easily. Thanks for watching and see you next time.